Okay, PM, since the finalization is done, we are free to take this DVD minus R out. And then we just put it in the first thing right here, the first DVD drive, because the second one doesn't work at all. The button's jammed. Oh. Must not be in there right. That was the wrong one. Let me sit down for this. Now this may come up, but this is not what you want. First of all, this is what you want. The Wondershare converter. You hit load DVD. It'll say main movie or all movies. You want to click main movie and OK. It'll say DVD. We want it to be on mp4, 1020, no, 1280 by 720 pixels. And if you know what the movie is called or the file is called, you can make that change right here. But I don't know what it's called, so I'm just going to put let's see. You know what, I'm just not going to rename it at all. I'll let you do that. And then you hit convert. Then it's converting itself. It'll be ready in about 2 minutes. So I'm gonna let 2 minutes go by and see you next video.